everyone, and welcome to Hilti Digital Keynote 2025. As designers and consultants, we know that keeping up with the evolving construction landscape is no easy task. One of the primary challenges you face is ensuring compliance with constantly changing design codes and safety measures. It's hard to stay ahead of these changes and still make informed decisions.
That's right, Abby. And it's not just the designers and consultants. The contractors are also facing similar challenges, especially when it comes to productivity and efficiency. Contractors are trying to push projects forward, but often face the issue of unskilled labor, which further slows them down. And of course, health and safety is our top priority. Not to mention, we also need to follow sustainable practices on the job sites.
Absolutely, AJ. The balancing act is real. Designers and consultants are also struggling to select materials that provide the right performance while being mindful of the cost and the sustainability impact. At the end of the day, you need to be confident that the solutions you specify are installed correctly and safely at the job site by our contractors.
I hear that, and it's a constant challenge. Good thing is that there is a portfolio of solutions out there to help us both. And these are the spec-to-site solutions. So stay tuned and we will elaborate more about how specifiers and contractors can benefit from it.
That video really highlights how Hilti's purpose statement, making construction better, isn't just a slogan. It's a deep commitment to transforming the industry and staying ahead of the curve with innovative solutions. Our direct relationship allows us to understand the challenges both specifiers and contractors face.
I couldn't agree more. It's not just about the products, software, and services. It's about the partnership and the support. Now, we would like to invite our Global Head of Business Unit to explain what spec-to-site solutions are all about.
You might be wondering, what is spec-to-site? With spec-to-site, we can now make our customer promise very tangible for both the engineers and the contractors in different applications across structural connections, support systems, and fire protection. Spec-to-site solutions are designed to help seamlessly connect the design to the job site, enabling correct installation and improving your construction workflow. As a designer, you need to develop cost-efficient designs. Our spec-to-site solutions can help you achieve better specifications, which are higher performing, value engineered, provide you more peace of mind, and are more sustainable. For contractors, you implement specifications on the job site. With our spec-to-site solutions, we link the design to the job site and enable better job site practices. Better job site practices mean faster, simpler, safer, and overall more sustainable solutions. Our team of experts provide support and guidance throughout the process to ensure a smooth and efficient workflow.
That video nicely summarizes the spec-to-site solutions are all about. Now let's dive into how spec-to-site solutions address these challenges, starting from how it supports specifiers like you.
Sure, AJ. Spec-to-site solutions help designers and consultants by offering high-performing solutions. Today, let's take the structural base plate application as an example. We have Hilti's new generation stud anchor, the HST4. This anchor is a real game changer. It boosts the tensile performance by up to 30% higher in cracked concrete compared to the previous generation of stud anchors. It's a solution that delivers exceptional performance even in demanding conditions.
That sounds impressive. But what about balancing performance with cost and sustainability? This is always a tricky equation for us.
Well, this is where value engineering comes in. Hilti's Profis Engineering software makes creating value engineered specs much easier, and their new smart design feature takes things to the next level. This tool eliminates manual iterations and streamlines the entire process, ensuring that we get the most out of our materials.
That is a huge time saver. But we also know that the job site can be unpredictable. So, how does Spec2Site give you more peace of mind that the solutions that you specify will actually be installed correctly?
Well, AJ, that's a great question. Spec2Site solutions offer more peace of mind by ensuring that solutions we specify are fully supported with comprehensive approvals, systems for improved site practices, and adaptive torque technology. Plus, Hilti's hands-on presence at the job site means we can always trust the solutions we've specified are being implemented correctly and safely.
That's really reassuring. But what about sustainability? This is something both contractors, designers, and consultants need to focus on these days.
Exactly. Spec2Site solutions are built with sustainability in mind, with the potential of optimizing the base plate designs, reducing the dimensions of the base plate, be it with the width or the length, or even the thickness of the base plate, anchor diameter, and the embedment depth. Hilti can help you achieve more sustainable design. And you know what is the best part? These changes can lead to measurable reductions in the CO2 emissions. You can now do more with a lot less.
That's incredible. Not just better for the environment, but more efficient and cost-effective as well.
Isn't it a win-win? Now, shall we hear from some of our designers and consultants who benefited from our Spec2Site solutions?
Hi, I'm Michael Naria, one of the design manager and structural engineer here at EC Cruz Corporation. My role here at EC Cruz Corporation is to guide my team in designing simple to complex structures from concept, schematic, design development up to construction documentation. My team focuses on advanced seismic analysis like performance-based seismic design and resilient-based design. EC Cruz Corporation was founded by our president and principal, Engineer Edgardo C. Cruz, also known as Boss Egay. In one of our projects, Hilti provided us a shallower embedment depth that result to a value engineered project using the Profis Engineering software, and that gave us a peace of mind. Hilti has been our partner for more than a decade now. If you want a value engineered, safe and sustainable project and ICC approved, use Hilti solutions.
Ako si Engineer Jubitoy Abiliera. Kasalukuyan ako naka-empleyo sa isang consultant firm na in charge ako sa construction supervision ng isang rampa ng isang expressway project. Ang masasabi ko sa mga kontraktor, nire-recommend ako sa kanila ang paggamit ng produkto ng Hilti Solutions dahil sila ay nagko-conduct ng demo para mo lubusang maintindihan ang kanilang specs at ma-meet mo talaga yung tamang quality control. Pangalawa, tumutulong po rin sila sa pagde-design ng kung ano ang tamang anchoring system. Ito po nakapagbabawas ng oras sa sa side ng designer. Sa gayon po, madali po natin matarget ang completion date ng isang project.
It's amazing to hear how positive their experiences have been. Now that we have covered how Spec2Site solutions benefit designers and consultants, let's talk about how it also bridges the gap and supports contractors in overcoming some of their challenges.
Absolutely, Abby. Contractors can really benefit from this as well, with value engineering being executed from the design stage. It will result to a lower material and workflow costs. And if you can lower these, the result is value for money and an improved cost of ownership. Again, let's take structural baseplate application as an example. Using conventional methods like hammer and calibrated torque wrench for anchor installations, it's time-consuming and can lead to delays. But Hilti offers advanced installation systems like the setting tool and the adaptive torque module. In specific cases, this simplifies the installation process and makes your installation faster by up to 40%.
That's a serious time saver. But what about simplicity? With all moving parts on a job site, we need things that are as simple as possible.
Spec-to-site solutions make it simpler by offering ACI-approved non-cleaning anchors like the HST4, the pairing it with adaptive torque module. This overall reduces the number of installation steps and minimizes the complexity of the process.
And that makes the job smoother for everyone. But what about safety? We need to make sure everything is done right the first time, every time.
Absolutely. The use of the Hilti's adaptive torque module minimizes the risk of under-torquing or over-torquing fastening applications. This ensures that your fastening applications are safer, reducing the likelihood of costly rework or even worse, structural failures.
Safety is always top priority. This really does solve a lot of issues, and I believe the same sustainability is also enjoyed by our contractors.
Absolutely, it does. Now, let's hear from the contractors who've benefited from spec-to-site solutions.
Ako si Gabriel Herrera, Project Manager ni Grand Apex Construction Incorporated dito sa site na to. Grand Apex Construction Inc. or GASI is a AAA company engaging in multiple projects here in the Philippines. Using Hilti to site, produkto na kailangan namin gamitin specifically sa mga dapat naming paggamitan. Binibigyan nila kami ng suporta technically and binibigay nila yung specific na item. For example, yung mga bolt nuts, yung chemical anchorage na kailangan namin gamitin para doon sa specific na pangangailangan ng isang struktura is na ibibigay nila ng maayos. So, maalwan ang pagka-discover namin dito sa Hilti 2 site. Naging maayos yung transaction ng mga materyales. Spec-to-site solution of Hilti is very helpful. Nakakatulong siya sa amin, kapwa ko engineer. Technically, binibigay nila yung solusyon. Minsan mahirap hanapin kasi kailangan mo pang mag-research. Time to time, nadyan sila para magbigay sa iyo ng mga technical aid, mga specification. Mabibigyan kayo ng spesipikong produkto ng pangangailangan sa bawat struktura, sa bawat items na kailangan nyong gawin. May re-recommenda ko po ito sa inyong lahat, sa kapwa ko engineero, sa mga contractor na gamitin tong spec-to-site solutions.
Ready to create better specs which are high-performing, value-engineered, and offer you more peace of mind and are more sustainable.
Ready to transform your job sites with faster, simpler, safer, and more sustainable installation process?
Discover how spec-to-site solutions can boost your workflow productivity and enhance safety.
Book a demonstration with our Hilti experts today. Scan the QR code on the screen to schedule a demo and access our innovative solutions. Let us help you achieve more on your next project.